Hello viewers, today 15th May 2022, we are at War Memorial Park, Coventry, England. As a part of UK City of Culture 2021, our Wilder family doing 16 minutes longest drone display in UK with 360 drones. Our Wilder family is created by the world famous artist Celestial. The show is to explore the family of wildlife around us and our role in protecting them. This War Memorial Park is a large park of around 48.5 hectares. This park is in southern Coventry. This park was opened in July 1921 as a tribute to the 2,587 Coventrians who died between 1914 and 1918 in First World War. The UK City of Culture. This is a competition run by the Departments of Digital, Culture, Media and Sports. Every 4 years, cities compete to get this prestigious award. For the year 2021, Coventry won this prestigious award. Next City of Culture is 2025. Shortlist will be revealed soon.
The light levels are fantastic, so you will be able to get a great view of the season show. And it is looking like it will be staying dry until after the flight. Please feel free to get set up comfortably. You can put your umbrellas down in about 10 minutes.
Here slightly raining. Hopefully it will be okay by the show time. Organizers are saying around 25,000 people are coming to watch this. Now its time is 8:30 p.m. Show will start at 9:10.
Of migrations, and I came across Celestial's work of how they move hundreds of drones in the sky to create beautiful imagery.
We want to connect our audiences, our citizens in Coventry, with everyday nature, things that they're going to see on their way to work, on their way to school, things that are recognisable like dandelions.
How do we take the small things that we take for granted, like a dandelion, and how do we magnify them and make them super visible in the sky?
This is first UK longest drone show. The show is about to start. Please enjoy.
I like going outside because I like playing with my friend. I like to go outside in spring. I like to go outside and go through the woods. What I love about nature is when the seasons change, because it's wonderful seeing the seasons change. It's wonderful seeing the seasons change. Wonderful seeing the seasons change. Blossoms burst from stems like trumpets. A fanfare scored with gems for notes. Sapphire, amethyst, ruby solos against the amber drone of days.
the soundtrack to the slow motion explosion of spring. Look, pebbles press on the soles of your feet. Acupuncture for the soul. Each of them a memory of a mountain resting in summer's heat. The air shimmers, full of itself, heavy with cracking pride. The pebbles stares back at you. Look out! Leaf smacks your face like a wet slap. The wake-up calling, oh, you're in for it now. The wind has the trees shimmying like a chorus line. You have to laugh. You know it'll turn and turn against you and then with you. Sooner than you think it'll be with you. Look. Snow falls crystal by crystal. Uniform but different. Invisible but opaque. Each of your steps a bite from an apple. Soon it will bring us all to where you found it. Together we coax the cold, wet crunch into a rough image of ourselves.
Nature's all around us. There were no buildings in the past. It was empty. All we could see was all the nature. My favorite things about nature are seeing the different types of animals. It can also help us to have a lot of oxygen because trees give us oxygen. Once I went to a park and we saw a pond. There were some swans, geese and ducks, so we fed them pieces of bread. I gave a quarter to the ducks, a quarter to the geese and a quarter to the swans because then they get equal in us. I like listening to the birds singing. I just go and sit outside and just listen. I like how all the birds make their little noises and how the fish jump up from the water in the pond. The most beautiful thing I've seen in nature is that I like how squirrels come out in spring because it's very helpful for them. They can find more food and they can save more food for the winter when they need to. I like to go outside to go to the park. You can see all the different coloured leaves and you can go and find things that are hiding inside of the trees and inside of the leaves and in different places, and you can see different animals.
supercharger engines merge into the ring. Want that iPhone 13, want the new Yeezys, want that 4x4, want cheap flights to Ibiza, want Gucci, Versace, want Netflix, want next day delivery, want Starbucks, want safety, want good food, can't get it where you live, want a new house, better neighbours, a new job, want flood protection, want aircon, want all that, everything, want now, want instant. So, join at the junction, rule here, circling the city like the hands of a stopwatch, measuring time in fumes, squadrons of plastic bags over skyscrapers rising and falling behind us like bar graphs. We have no time to read, no finish line on the circle, just more, always more where that came from, more than we can chew, more bang for the buck in more ways than one, more power to us, more with exciting projects for the future, where maybe we can have more of the same, more until it's done. Or go slow. Walk onto the ring road. It becomes a meadow. Grass hugs your feet. The city sprouts green from rooftops. Bees swarm at bus stops. Multi-story forests rustle. The wind spins ambient. Good for the soul. The sound reminds you of the rush you get when you let yourself be slow. Take a moment to watch the Sherborne behave exactly like a river. Remember, summer is not a threat. Rain is not a threat. The wind is with you. Remember that. Remember spear thistle, hollowroot, fool's parsley, polecats, velvet bent, peregrines, scarlet pimpernel, rusty backs, pale sedge, admirals, birches, bitter cress, cinnabars, eyebright, mouse ear, natterjacks. They never left. Somehow, they're coming back. So ask us about rebirth. We're the Phoenix City. We rose once, or we can rise again. Loss cannot be the end of hope. Ask the three spires if you forgot. And we'll know how to bring things back. How to find beauty in the scars. We'll know it's not the kind of work any of us can do alone. And yes, it can be hard to make yourself believe the soil under your fingernails can make a difference. It can be hard to remember how much light and growth comes with each sip of tea. It can be hard to believe the little sprig of basil you planted in your shoebox can turn the city into a forest. Or that it's worth your time to plant orchards for people you will never meet.
literally because we were from a type of monkey. We're good at climbing. We're an animal and animals live in nature. We think that we're animals because we're herons, just like other animals. Even though we don't look like animals, we could still be animals that look different. And if we don't look like animals, we still try to fit into nature just like the animals do. We have to stop polluting from now so the animals won't disappear. Stop throwing plastic into the ocean because if a dolphin gets stuck in one of the nets, it could choke. A lot of the animals are getting affected by the plastic. They're starting to fade away. They're starting to go extinct. I want them to come back to life. I want people to stop cutting down trees because the birds might not get enough homes because we're making too many items from paper. Now if we do stop cutting down trees, the trees will expand and grow, and then we'll have more animals, and it'll be lovely to see more animals. We can stop building new places when we don't need them. And we should also start walking more and stop using cars so much. If we're in a jungle and we see a koala by a fire tree, we can help it by rescuing it and take it to a community that helps animals. What's good about us if we don't help things?
Think of it like playing connect the dots with stars. Too close, and you miss the image. Step back, and you can read the shifting city like you are naming the shapes of passing clouds. We are a body's cells, drops in a wall of rain, leaves in a canopy. A constellation of us, each of us, crucial to the image. And yes, we have some.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.